Bwana tubeta na mbere kurumira nteto cia ruthemwe. Akenya na muno amiru ni boritu kwimenyera na Aamba baraba kuringira antu thimu bakibetia mbeca na kubera bakayo atenda cia skuru ya wikire muno mithere na iro bingi bondi orogamire ba skuru ya ACIARIA murathankare bawite kwina kundi kantu 15 kana nkuluki baraba kuira aciari na kubera na bone baitu batume mbeca hospitali bakiwa ni baringite thimu kiri mabisa bokaria utukikare aina ripotie.
Baba ni amemba bambondi ya skuru ya ACIARIA murathankare yare omwarimu munene narwa bagishumiria kuwa kuri na antu bagutumira ritwa skuru yao kuya aciari na kinya antu bawendi wega bara bagwataga skuru eje mbaru bakiuga bau bagwita Aamba bambiririe mutugo jo tariki 23 mweri jwa mbere mwaka jojo bakirombaga misanda ya byakura na kinya mbesa.
Since January at around 23rd, parents started getting messages from conmen. It's actually a group of people. We have around 15 phone numbers that have been used to con our parents. They would call them, tell them your child is sick, I'm in Meru General, send money. Others have come fledged as our teachers, our board members and leaders. Wanasema ya kwamba wametumwa na principal, board members to solicit for suppliers in school. They even are willing to give you the mahindi, maragwe upeleke shule, but when you look at the intention, it is to con members of public. Wanaomba mchango wa chakula, usaidizi wakitumia shule yetu. Na kwa maana we have people who really love this school and know that we are doing well. Some have been conned. Wanatuma pesa in form of msaada chakula ati ipelekewe Murathankari Girls.
Kurukini baugite ni barikite kuringa riboti kirwangirwa DCI no thimenti kenda na mbeu bakuga ni 15 igutumira kuira muingena ritura skuru ikajukirwe tagaria inde bakiwa gutema chokyo barona kana kuigwe guru ya kiontu giki
mantu mama imere itwe kinyai maripote twe kwa DCI na unfortunately gutire step tukone yukitwe this far namba inochi antu baba bakuringa thimu ninenkanilitwe na nuntu bogu twenda kurombo tethio nikenda antu baba baumba kugwatwa
na ire kwa DCI na kumarira banenkerwe gote in action bajukia na tweromba as bond management ate DCI najukia itagaria antu baba bagwatwe no ntukinya na arwo rukire kinya no ntombodie samanetie antu baba ingi baringeri thimo bageta gwirio na nandu bagaruka bamberia kuwa nande ni musaanda yukuromba utio ntu yabou
na muthiene bakiariria muingi amemba baba ni baugite skuru yawete na thina kinyeriku na nambera yomba kuringira muciari ni ya principal kiragi kana namba ya skuru yongwa iria bakuga gute muciari utemiji
na ndenda washu aciari na stakeholders ba CUKURU na kinya kanisa that CUKURU yetu ri sasawa na tutire na thina na mamu monthe iporojo na mantu matagirite.
I want to make it very clear before the board of management that our school is not in need of any mchango. Hatujatuma mtu yote kutuchangia, tuko sawa. Wazazi wametusupport, board imetusupport na serikali. Ukipata message kama hiyo, treat it as a con message and don't give any money in relation to that.
Kwa oro karingirwa thimo akajokia thimo kana atoma mbeca kana etekeria weni muciari Murathankari atumira muntu mbeca no ntu bau ni conmen
uma Murathankari gicigo mbunge kia no thimenti nkiripotera ndito cia weru rekwa ritwa ni mutugi.